Well, actually, you want to move it back, right?
Because look, he's got stone coming out to here. This is just one short right
Okay.
here.
Let's do it. That way we don't have to take off all that.
See this corner. We dug out a hole, put 6 inches of stone. Then you can see that running long ways, we have pressure treated 4x4s. Every 16 inches on center. The stone has to equally distribute the weight. The way we do that is by spanning the 4x4, 2x6 by 14. The walls with these header boards. Put 3 of them up, and we're going to put the last one up. Hold it steady. Can you hold it with 2 hands? So it doesn't fall? Hold it with 2 hands so it doesn't fall. Here we are. We made a little progress on it since I showed it to you last. We put up the rafters. We have the dormer going up now. And we have some windows going in. We are done with the roof. The roofers just finished that. And we've got 7 and 5. We've got 12 windows installed. That's all the windows. Tomorrow we'll put in the 3 double doors. And then we're going to do the trim moldings, and then we will put the siding on. Yeah, the job's all done. Max is going to light the lamps. Yeah, we'll give you the other side. And get that nice siding and that nice rosettes. And those nice gas lamps. And I don't know if you can see the back of this, but I thought I would try to show it to you. There's 4 windows back here. And maybe just a little bit of the interior. You want to see what it looks like on the inside before the drywall goes up. Because all we need now is some gardening, some landscaping, and we'll be all done.